Hi everyone, today we are presenting our high frequency C-arm named C-Ray Pro. The output of the generator is 3.5 kilowatt and the frequency is 110 kilohertz, which is the maximum frequency available in this segment of C-arm. The X-ray generator, which produces frequency more than 100 kilohertz, are known as a constant potential generator. The advantage of constant potential generator is there is no ripple. It means that you will get maximum useful X-ray in lesser time, and that is the advantage here with C-Ray Pro. At downside you can see this is monoblock. Monoblock consists of X-ray tube inset and high voltage section, and you can see this is very compact monoblock, very lightweight, and X-rays are generating from this opening of monoblock. On the top side you can see this is image intensifier, which is 9-inch triple field image intensifier and from Toshiba. There are multiple variants available with Toshiba image intensifier. One is P4 series and other is P7 series. So we have been using P7 series, which is best and latest generation image intensifier. The resolution of this image intensifier is 52 LP per centimeter and with the output window 25 mm. So this is the best resolution available in image intensifier. On top of this image intensifier you can see this section, and here you will see the CCD camera housed inside that. A retrofit option of laser aimer is available, which is very useful while doing C-arm positioning, and it helps to reduce the radiation, to reduce the dose, and this is very useful for radiation free positioning. Let's understand the C dimension. The SID, which is known as source to image distance, is 955 mm, and the clearance, which is from image intensifier to top of the source, is 755 mm. The arc depth means center of this C radius to the center of II is 60 cm, which is 600 mm, and this C dimensions is adequate to rotation around even on obese patient. Let's have a look on C movement. So this is log for arc orbital movement, and this can be taken to completely 90 degree, and this is called a lateral view. On the other side we can take this C-arm to plus 25 degree. It means 90 plus 25 degree, and this is very useful in Euro procedure. This is log for rotation movement, and you can rotate the C-arm on both sides, cranial and caudal, and this rotation can go up to 360 degree plus and minus 180 degree. This lock is for horizontal movement, and the total travel is 200 mm. This is for wig-wag, and you can slightly move this to cranial and caudal side, and this is 25 degree. With the help of rear wheel steering, you can achieve lateral movement from caudal to pelvic side, and it's very easy. You can easily move the C-arm. The actuator controlled up and down movement is noise free, and you won't able to hear any kind of humming noise inside OT. This is control panel of C-Ray Pro C-arm, and the size of this full touch screen is 7-inch. By default, system operates in auto mode. It means system itself will select kV and MA according to patient size, patient anatomy and X-ray view. On left side you can see the icon. This is known as auto mode, and these are the different modes like fluoroscopy mode and radiography mode. Let's select the fluoroscopy mode. So once you select the fluoroscopy mode, you will have two options. One is boost and other is snap. Boost is known as high dose mode, but it is a non-continuous mode. It means boost mode can be used for obese patient, especially like a spine surgery of obese patient. And on the bottom side you can see snap mode. This is for if you want to save any image which is noise free for reporting purpose, so you can take a shot in snap mode, so you will get a single exposure. On right side of this console panel, this is zoom icon, and you just Press this. There are 3 modes. So this is the real-time zoom of image intensifier. So normal is 9 inch, zoom 1 is 6 inch and zoom 2 is 4.5 inch. Let's go to the home. Yeah. So again it is into the default settings, and you will see now it is again in auto mode, continuous fluoroscopy. Although you can override auto mode by selecting, and you can select KV or even MA manually. On top right side of the screen you can see this is the real time temperature of monoblock, and right now it is 27 degree. At bottom side of the screen you can see these key at left and right side. This is to access up and down movement of C. This is radiography mode. Once you select this mode, you will get an anatomical programming chart, and by this this is for radiography. It means if you want to take a X-ray image onto film, so then it will help you to select the optimum parameter. So the left side you can see the patient size. This is child, then adult, small, large and obese patient. Based on that, KV and MAS will be selected, and then you can select which portion you want to take. Like this is skull, chest, then spine, and on the right side you can see which view of spine, whether it is lateral, oblique or AP or PA. This is thoracic spine, lumbar spine, and right side you can see pelvis, then you can see shoulder, wrist, femur and tibia. Anatomical programming is given to take X-ray in radiography mode. Now you can see one message: please change the toggle switch in red mode and then press OK. So there is a toggle switch available on trolley side, so you have to push it towards radiography, and after that you can take the exposure in radiography mode. It's available with 17-inch dual monitor, and you can see this is for live display and right side is for reference display. And on top of this you can see memory, and at mid segment you can see this is the shelf to store the accessories, and bottom side is servo stabilizer is housed inside that. This is just to give a regulated power supply to C-arm. You can access all features of image memory either through IR remote control or through this knob. So if I want to see already stored image, so you can just rotate it either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you can see different stored images. If you want to recall this image from reference monitor to live monitor, just press the recall key and now it is shifted to your reference side. So what all features are there? This is menu key, and from there you can select different operating modes. So it is pulse mode now, auto mode, and configuration means you can adjust the circle size, and this is last image hold. So mostly surgeries are performed in under last image hold. It means whatever last image will be there, it will get held onto the monitor and it will be saved automatically inside the memory. The next is averaging. So averaging can be selected from this key or through remote control. So averagings are like 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So if you increase the averaging, you will get a smoother image. Next is rotation. So you can rotate your image and you can align it during the procedure, and you can do mirror. Zoom is also there. You want to see image in negative mode, so now it is there in negative mode, and you can save this image manually, or option of automatically saving the image is also available. You can export all the saved image into BMP format, and same can be stored in pen drive, and you can see USB port is there for that. It also has LAN connectivity. If you want to transfer all the images in bulk through LAN connectivity, it can be transferred to the external workstation. This is menu key to select different operating modes and system settings as well. This is average key, and there are different options available like averaging 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. More the averaging, more you will get noise free images, but blurred will be more. So we have to select an optimum setting of averaging based on to the procedure. This is rotate key, and you can rotate image either clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is mirror key, This is zoom key, and you just press it once, twice, so you will get magnified image onto the live monitor, and with the help of knob you can pan the same image. This is to see image in negative mode. This is contrast key to change the contrast level during post processing. This is read key if you want to import images from pen drive or external media through this USB port. This is store key. Store key is basically to store all the images which are stored internally into image memory to pen drive. This is recall key to recall images available on reference monitor to live, so that you can compare the both the images. This is reference key to select which image you want to see as a reference, and this is save key to save image manually inside the memory.